My dear friends in Jesus Christ, today we are celebrating 16th Sunday in Ordinary Time. The liturgy of the Word of God is inviting us to reflect on two important themes of our life. The first one is the aspect of rest, and the second one is the imagery of Good Shepherd. First of all, let us understand what is the meaning of rest. Rest is something that is really essential in all of our lives. Especially, we see this concept of rest in the book of Genesis, where God takes 6 days to make the creation, and the 7th day He announces to be a day of rest. It explains us the beautiful aspect of rest. St. John Paul II, in his letter Laborum Exercens, explains about the need to take rest. He says, when work is good, when it is followed and balanced by the good amount of rest. Dear friends, it all explains us the importance of need to take rest. Also, this pandemic COVID-19 has taught us the importance to rest. There are good number of people who have come up on the social media with the importance of rest, saying good time to spend with their family and friends and kith and kins. Dear friends, probably Jesus, knowing the importance of rest, is inviting His apostles in today's gospel to come away and to rest for a while. Dear friends, I know a friend of mine who is a teacher who has 2 children and a mother-in-law who is bedridden. Also, in spite of all her schedules, she also takes home tuition. One day I asked her, why don't you rest for a while? Then she told me, if she takes rest, she will not know the betterment of her family. It is true, my dear friends, there are good number of people who sacrifice their time in order to do best for others. It happens in today's gospel. Though Jesus is tired of mission, though He requests and He also goes with His apostles to a lonely place, He sees the crowd and He feels compassion for them. If it were to be we will be for sure tired and we will be annoyed. But this is not the case with Jesus. Therefore, He feels compassion and He expresses to be a good shepherd, wherein which we reflect on the second theme, that is Good Shepherd. There are 3 things that I would like to say. When we have Jesus as our shepherd, we will have always direction. A sheep without shepherd will have no direction. That's the first thing that I would like to highlight from the imagery of the Good Shepherd. When we have Jesus as our shepherd, we will not lose our direction. That's what in first reading of today's Word of God, we read Prophet Jeremiah is assuring to the people the presence of David's reign. When we have Jesus as our shepherd, we will not be lost, the first thing. And coming to the second aspect of the image of the Good Shepherd, when we don't have shepherd, the sheep will never find the pasture and its food. So there are good number of people who told me, during this pandemic, they don't get time to go, they don't get the opportunities to go for the masses and receive the Holy Communion. My dear friends, they really feel that the spiritual food is necessary for their lives. In second reading, we see St. Paul, letter to the Ephesians, he beautifully explains, though there is an enmity between Gentiles and Jews, the blood of Christ has brought reconciliation among them. Therefore, my dear friends, when we have Christ as shepherd and center of our life, we will have pasture, we will also have food. Finally, my dear friends, as the imagery of the Good Shepherd, when we have shepherd, we will have the strength to have the defense in our lives. Otherwise, we will be scattered somewhere in our lives. As the liturgy of the Word of God inviting all of us to reflect on these 2 important aspects of rest and Good Shepherd, let us evaluate how well do we make use of this rest, and the second thing, how really we take Jesus as good shepherd of our lives. May God bless all of us.